In the vast expanse of the cosmos, humanity's insatiable curiosity leads them to explore the unknown. The starship Abyss Voyager drifts through the silence, its crew captivated by a mysterious signal emanating from a distant nebula. Captain Morgan, we're entering uncharted territory. Keep your senses sharp, crew. Dr. Rodriguez, did anyone else see that? There's something out there. Stoma Turner, frantic. They were just here. Now they're gone. Ensign Lee, whispering. Do you hear that? It's like voices, but not human. Captain Morgan, we're not alone here. Something is playing tricks on our minds. Dr. Rodriguez, this signal, it's a warning. They're trying to tell us that this place feeds on fear. Lieutenant Turner, full throttle! We need to get out of here before it consumes us. Ensign Lee, what did we encounter back there? Was it a malevolent force or something beyond our comprehension? As the Abyss Voyager leaves the nebula behind, the crew is forever changed by the darkness they witnessed. The mysteries of space continue to beckon, promising answers that might shatter human understanding. As the Abyss Voyager leaves the nebula behind, the crew is forever changed by the darkness they witnessed. The mysteries of space continue to beckon, promising answers that might shatter human understanding.